Ever felt buried under heaps of data, thinking there's got to be a better way? Trust me, I've been there. Welcome to SheetWise. I'm Sebastian, and with 28 years of diving deep into Excel as a controller, I've unearthed some gems that can transform your data chaos into clarity. We are not just talking about Excel functions. We are unlocking a toolkit that will make you wonder how you ever managed it without. We will explore the magic of VSTACK, HSTACK, Unique, Sort, SORTBY, and Choose. But there's the kicker. We'll also see how combining them can supercharge your efficiency. So grab that coffee, settle in, and let's turn hours of work into minutes. Section 1. The magic of VSTACK. Let's kick things off with VSTACK. Imagine you are building a tower with Lego bricks, and each brick is a data set you need to stack seamlessly. VSTACK is your master builder. Here's our scenario. 2 lists of fruits and vegetables in different ranges. Combining them manually, that's so yesterday. Let's see what Excel can do. We just write, or we steal this, and then we write VSTACK. And this is the first array. And this is the second array. Enter. And that's it. You see, everything is combined. And just like that, we have stacked our data into one neat list. No copy paste, no fuss. Feels good, doesn't it? Section 2. Horizontal harmony with HSTACK. If VSTACK is stacking vertically, guess what HSTACK does? It's like adding train cars side by side to form a complete train. Now let's combine them. Each HSTACK, this and that. Enter. Maybe this. And that's it. You see, now you have here a nice array. Super simple, I think. Section 3. Keeping it unique with unique. Let's tidy up this list riddled with duplicates, okay? Just see. We highlight it and conditional formatting, highlight duplicate values. And you see a few. So what we can do is we copy the title, okay? And then unique. And then this is the array. Enter. And now you see it's only everything once in there. Section 4. Sorting it out with sort. Now let's bring some order to our data with sort. Think of it as your personal organizer, arranging everything just the way you like it. To sort this list alphabetical, we use the sort function. Sort. And then this is the array. Enter. And now it's sorted. That was easy. Let's see what can sort do. Here is the formula. And you see we have a few arguments. So for example, the index. At the moment, we sort by the first column. Yeah, you see it's alphabetical. But maybe you want to sort by price. Okay, this. And now it's sorted price. Yeah. And maybe we go back in there. You want the highest price first. So instead of 1, we use the -1 and then it's backwards. So that's sort. Section 5. Sorting smarter with SORTBY. Sometimes you need to sort data based on another column. Enter SORTBY. Think of it as organizing your bookshelf based on book ratings instead of titles. Okay, so for example, this is SORTBY, and this is the array. We only want the fruits. Yeah, and we sort it by the origin. Enter. And now you see we start with pear, and this is Argentina. It's a A. Understand? So now we can use the data from another array to sort our array. Okay? Or we need a price. And now banana is up there. The difference to the other sort function is you only have this data in the array, no, not the whole data. Okay. Section 6, making choices with shoes. Ever wish you could pick data like selecting a snack from a vending machine? With shoes you can. We want to see the third word in this formula. Okay. So the shoes formula has here the index number. Okay. And I linked it to this cell, and in there is a 3 or a 1, whatever. And now we can count 1, 2, 3, and with 3 it's March or January. So at the moment this formula isn't that exciting, but we will use it in the combined examples. Okay, so wait for it. Section 7, combining functions for greater power. Now here's where the real magic happens. Combining these functions is like assembling a dream team. They are powerful and their own but unstoppable together. Let's dive into some combinations that will make your workflow sing. Suppose we have two unsorted lists of fruits in ranges here and there. Combining and sorting them manually, that's a time thief. Let's automate it. So we go in there, VSTACK, this and that. Okay, we already did that. And now we write sort, and that's it. And there it is, a single sorted list in seconds. Feels like we have just performed a magic trick. But what if those lists have duplicates? No worries, we can stack and deduplicate in one go. So for this example, we don't use the whole array because every line is unique. And so we only use the origin and the unit. Okay, VSTACK, origin and unit, and origin and unit. Oh, it's too long. We will remove the duplicates and then it will be shorter. Unique in front of it and enter. That's it. And now it's unique. Okay. You see, for example, USA KG was doubled, and now every line is always a unique line. But why stop there? Let's stack, remove duplicates and sort all in one formula. So we stack this and this, then make it unique, and then we sort it and close a few brackets, and that's it. So now everything is unique and sorted. You see, you just can every formula combine together. Imagine you are combining products from two countries and want to sort the products based on the units. Sounds complex, not with SORTBY and the VSTACK. So here is the place, and we start with the stack, and we want this array and this array. Okay, and then we want it sorted, sort by, and we want another array, and there we use again the VSTACK to merge them, and we merge the origins, and then it's sorted by the origin, and it's only the product. So this is the combination of SORTBY and VSTACK. And now, ready to level up, let's tackle a real-world scenario. You're managing sales data across multiple regions, and you need to identify top performing products in Europe, for example, with sales over $2,000. Let's make Excel do the work. Okay, and this is the formula. So we start with a filter function. Filter, and this is the array. And we want to check this array if it's equal to this region. Okay, good. We do the same thing here. And we check again if this is equal to that. Okay, now we combine them. We learned that a lot. We go with the VSTACK, this array, and this array. So now we are a step further. We make it a little bit smaller, and then we use the next filter function. Filter. We use again this array, and now we check if this is bigger than that. Okay, let's check. 3,000. Okay, 2,000. Okay, last step is sort this by here the sales, so 3, and biggest to smallest, so -1, and that's the result. And now we have all the formula parts, and we start to combine them. Okay, now we build up the formula. We start with the last part. Here we insert it, and you see here is the array. Okay, we go in this formula, steal it, put it in there. Good. And now we have this array. We go in there, steal this array, go in there and copy it here in it. And that's not enough, because here that won't work. So we need a formula to see the sales. We need VSTACK, filter, and we use this array, and we filter by this equal Europe, close, and here's the another table, filter, and we want the sales, and we want to check the region equal to Europe, and we close it. Okay, and now we look in there, and we use these blue here and red there. Okay, we go in there, steal this formula, and go in there and copy it here, and we go in there, copy the whole formula, and go in there, this here. Okay, and now we have everything in this formula. Oh, here's a little mistake. Wait, this and that. Okay, and now we can delete everything, and our new formula is ready to go. Wait, so just test it with Africa. Okay, Africa 1,499. It works. So, and the result is a sorted list of products from Africa over $1,499 We have just turned a complex task into a single formula. Powerful, isn't it? Section 8. Practical use cases and tips. Imagine updating your reports automatically as new data comes in. By combining VSTACK, unique and sort, your reports become very dynamic. So we use the VSTACK and VSTACK function, and we say unique and sort. Okay, and now set it up once and let Excel keep it updated. It's like having an autopilot for your data. So if you get carrots from Asia for $10,000, it's new in there, and you see the garlic from Africa for 5,000 euro. It's also new. You see, it always updates. And if you need data from different sheets, it's no problem at all. So go in there, write VSTACK, and we are lucky we have few times the same examples like this, and maybe this. Enter, and it's merged together from different sheets. If you want to sort based on different criteria without changing formulas, we use choose within SORTBY. Let's see what I mean. Sort by, and this is our array. Okay, that's it. Now we use choose, and this is here the key views. And now we ask for a few more arrays. So for example, sales or rating or product. Okay, we close that, and now you see it's 3, and we count 1, 2, 3, and the pink one is the product. Okay, it's sorted alphabetically, and we say we want 1, and now it's sorted by the sales, and 2 by the rating. And maybe we want to sort it another way, so maybe -1. Okay, so it's 7,005. No, it's a rating 4.8, 4.5, or 1. Now it's sales, and 3. It's the product. We covered a lot today, and I hope you were as excited about this function as I am. Remember, the right tools can transform how you work, saving you time and reducing errors. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Excel's powerful functions. Your time is valuable, and I'm thrilled you choose to spend it here on SheetWise.